Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my YouTube video. Today I've got a pretty short video for you. It's an unboxing of this right here, which is the Thermaltake Ring Quad 12 fans. They're really cool fans, you can probably see them right there. But before we get into that, if it's your first time here or you've been here a couple of times and you like what you're seeing so far, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as I would love to grow the channel and I'd love to have you come with me. I'd also like to make some friends as well, to be honest, if I can. So by all means, leave some comments and I'll try to interact with absolutely everybody. Today, I'm going to bring this forward. I choose you. Today we're going to be reviewing, or just really unboxing and then looking at it in our system. This is the Thermaltake Ring Quad 12 radiator fans, white premium edition. Essentially, these are Thermaltake's new fans. These are different because they have 4 different lighting layers within them. You have an outer ring, then you have an inner outer ring, and then of the 2 inner rings, you have an outer inner ring and you have an inner ring. But essentially there are 4 different rings that do lighting in this radiator fan. The actual outcome of that is pretty fantastic because they look brilliant in your setup. It also does help that the RGB space here, you have 16.8 million colors, and I think that obviously helps to give you this premium looking look that you get in your setup. Now, just for reference point, these are 120 fans, 120 mil fans. So if you've got a 4 fan radiator, then you're going to be able to get 4 of these fans on there. These work with Thermaltake's Neon Maker software. With that, you can get some really great looking fan colors coming out of that. Now, this actually works with Amazon Alexa. You can just say phrases and you're going to change the whole theme of your setup. I think that's pretty dope. I'm actually not for voice technology myself, I kind of want to have the last bit of privacy that's left over. But if you don't care about that stuff, then you should really think about having Alexa. This also works with Razer Chroma, and there's also a Thermaltake and a mic there. So I'm guessing there might be some Thermaltake voice commands you can use with this. All right, well, with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this. You're probably thinking, why did he put it back? That's not an unboxing, but this is. I can just go ahead and say that the fans feel quite premium, which is important because I had to pay an arm and a leg to get, what did I get? 369. I've got 9 of these fans. I've got 2 4 fan radiators. The only way I could get, 8 was to get 3 sets of 3, which is 9. So I'm gonna have 1 fan left over. If someone wants it, I can send it to them and just comment on the video. And as you can see here, you can see the different layers of the lighting component. Just to turn it around to the side and just to turn it around to the back for those who really want some detail. The casing comes with the 3 fans, and it also comes with the equipment screws, to install the fans. And these are really easy to install because you just plug them in here and they go into your radiator. So they're very easy to install. You also don't have to install them to a radiator. You could just install them to anywhere really on your build. But typically people put them in their radiators, and it's up to you what you want to do with it. So let's go ahead, get this in our setup, and see why this is such a good set of fans. Hey guys, I just want to thank you so much for getting to the end of my YouTube video. If you did like this video, please go ahead and give me a like, because I need your like. And if you want to be even more generous, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. I'm going to have videos coming thick and fast, tech, also my lifestyle. So if that's something that you want to see, I would love to have you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.